Moving on, getting you some more breaking news now. The Chief Justice of India-led bench has declined the urgent listing to appeal against the Karnataka High Court verdict that upheld the hijab ban in the state. Now, the Supreme Court has said that it will be listing this particular matter only after the Holi vacations. So this was something that was being reported from yesterday itself, after the Karnataka High Court, in fact, upheld the ban on hijab in the schools and colleges, campuses in the state of Karnataka. And the petitioners, in fact, offered to take this up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court the CJI-led bench in the Supreme Court, in fact, has now declined the urgent listing of this particular matter, and it has said that it will be listed only after Holi vacations. Meenakshi Bhanja is with me on the phone line on the broadcast. Meenakshi, an urgent appeal, an urgent listing really has been declined by the Supreme Court, but this was something that was very evident ever since that verdict came out of the Karnataka High Court yesterday.
Well, that's right, Griha. We have seen the alacrity with which the Supreme Court had been moved yesterday itself, just hours after the Karnataka High Court's judgment was known and made available in the public domain. And these appeals against the Karnataka High Court's hijab verdict were mentioned for an urgent listing before Honorable Chief Justice of India-led bench. And the bench clearly has declined to grant any immediate listing of these appeals. Honorable Chief Justice of India himself clearly indicating that he will consider listing these appeals only after the Holi break. So that's the big news. Supreme Court declining any urgent listing for a hearing of these appeals that have been filed in the Supreme Court, challenging yesterday's Karnataka High Court ruling on hijab, saying that it will consider listing these two appeals that have been filed for now, Rhea, in the Supreme Court only after the forthcoming Holi break.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining me with all those details there. So an urgent appeal as far as that appeal that was filed before the Supreme Court of India against the Karnataka High Court verdict that upheld the hijab ban in the state has now been rejected by the Supreme Court. Then urgent hearing has been rejected, and it will only be heard after Holi vacations, is what the Chief Justice-led bench has said.